Let your soul accept it. So unexpected. What if I told you I was lost? My vision bad, but I could see me in the future being the boss. Giving orders in order to holler at my supporters. I need somebody to give me a call. Shit, tell me I'm loved. Tell me you proud of me. Cause shit's changing, it's taking a whole lot out of me. My daddy don't love me, or maybe he do, but he ain't around. I hope you know I ain't just laying around. Shit, I got off my ass, and I chose to get it in. I turned my homies into businessmen, so I just got us in. Put on the city of sin with my friends. Now me and all of my niggas pitching in. I hope you understand, this ain't a sob story. I did this by myself, no one did the job for me. I took a different route, right road, end the discussion. Took a minute to bubble, now we on the finishing touches. Now I'm all in the public, and I love it, not cause I'm buzzing. In God we trust, I'm asking God, can you guide me, love? So much to believe, too much to retrieve. I just hope I get it out before I leave. Man, I gotta be remembered. Man, I gotta be remembered. Yeah, cause when it's all said and done, and they take me off this earth, I just hope you realize what I was worth, putting in work so I could be remembered. It's cool, cause my mom is a little more involved. When she give me problems, I just smoke it up. She say she love my message, so she quick to show me off. I know enough, but I don't know it all. I listen to all of my big homies to get advice as a man. I grew up trifling, but tried to advance. Even when I was 6, I got a pick with a mic in my hand. I'm proud of myself, I like where I am. See, I just wanna be heard, respected and comfortable, even when I'm away. Say, daddy still loving you. Typical though, you into your toys, I'm into my flows. But baby girl, it takes a minute to blow, so I swallow my pride. Spit the truth, now they follow my ride. I make visuals for my visions, now they follow my rhymes. Thank God for my blessings. I grew up unprotected, not neglected. Stressed a little, seen a talent and perfected. So when you let them know about me, let them know that I gotta be remembered. Yeah, cause when it's all said and done, and they take me off this earth, I just hope you realize what I was worth, putting in work so I could be remembered. Ain't no shame in the way I act, it's a way of life. You weigh out the facts, you living a lie. We live and we die. Who gives a fuck? They only judging cause we live it up and barely getting by. But I still keep a smile on my face. I learned how to set my negatives to the side and just smile through the day. Sometimes it gets overwhelming, coming down off my high, getting depressed about all the shit that I dealt with. I feel selfish, but let me make that shit a little clearer. I ain't rude, I just need to work on the man in the mirror. Starting from where I lack, look back to where I was at so I can see the growth. You can even hear it in my raps. Potential great, make half of these niggas disintegrate. You limit yourself, you been a fake. Me, I've been around, you know me from my beginner stage. And now I'm in this bitch to leave you in the maze. Dizzy right. So tell them motherfuckers that I gotta be remembered. Dizzy right. Cause when it's all said and done, and they take me off this earth, I just hope you realize what I was worth, putting in work so I could be remembered. Hey, man, I gotta be remembered.
Feel like one of them TV shows from the 60s. Oh, you can try when the villain come in. Oh, you can when the villain arrives. Hey, murder! Yes.
For what we do,
classic version.
What we do,
classic version.
We represent, yeah. My music represent the change of power. From now on, this thing is ours. Got 'em painting war instead of painting flowers. They shower their heroes with praises while we hanging hours. We bring the drums to the battle cause we bang the loudest. You don't know a thing about it if you mix a King and Malcolm. Bet you that quality the outcome. Album so hot that my ghetto chicks is bringing talcum. Whether you sing or shout it, they gave somebody else the crown, but I'm the king without it. Your queen is riding with me, she always sliding with me. You can't stop me like the bullets that's inside of 50. They try to diss me, but whenever I say body miss me. You walking with me or you alien like Mork and Mindy. You talking with me if the off the nifty. Take it off the table when the devil run the label cause the Lord is with me. Arrogance bring the fall of many. My name echo like the hall is empty. You don't want a war against me. Hey, This the cut, I'm the surgeon. Assassinate your character, cast aspersion. You ain't got a verse better than my worst one. You ain't got a verse better than my worst one. Hey, I know it hurts, son, but you against me, a 50 cal versus squirt gun. You ain't got a verse better than my worst one. You ain't got a verse better than my worst one. Why? You and your Manson for Lucas, you scare my medulla. You see beyond the shadow of a doubt. I'm born ready, steady as the hand of the shooter. In the flesh, yes, the embodiment of man versus computer. I make all the women abandon they suitors. Do the math, you see you can't measure up to the ruler. Word, on behalf of all the fans and consumers, I'm building with Fred Hampton Jr., man, we planning the future. Not preaching, we do it different, we lifting the youth up. We spitting it too tough, too sick for these new thugs. Goons, whatever they call, they softer than new bug. Vampires in the club, sipping that true blood. I'm a midnight marauder and a slaughter for the tribe. Immortal, I'm busting at the cops like Mordecai. The sort of guy to mortify these clown ass rappers since fortified live, and you know it, man. Hey, this the cut, I'm the surgeon. Assassinate your character, cast aspersion. You ain't got a verse better than my worst one. You ain't got a verse better than my worst one. Hey, I know it hurts, son, but you against me, a 50 cal versus squirt gun. You ain't got a verse better than my worst one. You ain't got a verse better than my worst one.